What's going on, guys? It's been a crazy ride for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market. It's been one heck of a ride, with Bitcoin blasting through 10,000 yesterday, and then last night it getting to 11,500, which is actually insane. So there's been a lot of media attention, of course. We've seen many examples of this happening once Bitcoin hits some big milestone, with it hitting 10,000. It's been a lot of media attention. There's been a lot of people seeing that media attention and then jumping on the train of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin and starting getting involved in the community and the marketplace. And so this is going to play a giant role of like what exactly is happening currently right now. And as you can go over here on the graph, we saw a correction here. We see a fallout right here, and this is just an example of the market being extremely volatile, and there being extreme movement in the market so easily. And this is a big key difference between a traditional market and the cryptocurrency market. Even though they're extremely similar in values and how they act and patterns, they're extremely different at the same time, because this is such a new thing. Cryptocurrency is so new, and the market is so much different. People are still trying to figure out exactly patterns and how it's going. And so I kind of want to talk about what's exactly happening. And so basically what's happening is we have a lot of these individual buyers and investors that bought Bitcoin a long time ago, in the early days when Bitcoin was only dollar amounts, and these people bought hundreds of amounts of Bitcoin, and so they have a big portion of Bitcoin now currently in the market. And so we have all these people jumping on board, increasing the volume of it. As you can see down here, you can see the volume on these candles down here. This is pretty much, raising everything, increasing it, making it go parabolic here, and it's gone just up and up and up and up. So we have these people that have 100 Bitcoin now in these days, and they're making sells. And this is actually going to cause movement in the market, since they have such a large amount. A person that would have like 100 Bitcoin right now, that would make a sell right now, would literally drop Bitcoin by hundreds of dollars right now, causing a great movement. And that's pretty much why the market is so volatile. The market levels swing so easily due to these people making their sells of hundreds of amounts of Bitcoin. So what exactly is going to happen in the market? So the one key thing that people see is this up and up and up situation here, this parabolic up trend here. And basically what they're saying is an outcome of this could be a major correction in the market, which is in a long term a healthy thing for Bitcoin, but would not be good for people that are just now jumping in on with their investments, because it's going to scare a lot of people off, and people are going to be buying high and selling low. That people are going to be FOMOing, fear of missing out, and that unfortunately what will happen to a lot of the new people that are coming on board with this whole thing. So say this outcome could happen, this like 40 to 50% correction could fall 40-50%. Because we see an example of this in the early days of Bitcoin. We go back here to 2014. We see it at a price at $100 right here, and then you skip forward, about a week or so, and it's up $1,000. And then we'll see it drop back down to $600. We see it drop right back down to $600. So we see there, that's a major correction right there, and that's just from it going up and up parabolically. That could happen currently now, and it's dropping now, and that it could it could keep dropping and have that giant correction from having a parabolic upbringing. Or we could see what Bitcoin has done, and its structure, its main structure of it just having an uptrend and then only having a correction of like 20%, and then going back up like $2,000, which is what's been happening the past couple months. So we could either see it just correcting at like 20% and then just blowing back up to like $13,000 in the next like month, or we could see this like 40 to 50% correction where it just drops majorly down. It's really exciting times, really interesting. This is a big opportunity, honestly, for a lot of these people. this is a big opportunity, not just to jump in this cryptocurrency world of just like incredible potential for awesome technology and a giant jump for humanity and being more connected. But this is also a large opportunity for a lot of people to start learning about, stocks and markets and how finances work. This is a giant opportunity because this is just so new and exciting, and it just adds excitement to me. I want to learn all of this because it's just so exciting. All this new stuff happening. It's yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and see ya.